Welcome back to 30 Days to Better Hearing. Here we are at day 20, 2/3 of the way through our journey together. I want to take a moment today just to celebrate the progress you've made. Each one of you has shown incredible commitment to improving your hearing. I'm genuinely proud of the steps you've taken, and I'm grateful you've let us help you on this journey. It's important to acknowledge the strides you've made, even if they might feel small to you. Adjusting to hearing aids is a significant challenge, and the fact that you've made it this far is a testament to your resilience and determination. You've tackled daily care routines, navigated social situations, experimented with various settings on your devices, and perhaps even embrace some new technologies along the way. If you've had moments of frustration or concern, please know that it's all part of the process. Hearing aids are sophisticated tools designed to improve your life, but like any significant change, they come with a learning curve. Remember, it's still very early days in your journey. Hearing, like many aspects of our health, is an ongoing adventure, and there's always room to grow, adjust, and improve. I really encourage you to reflect on the moments where you've noticed a positive change, no matter how small. Maybe it was hearing a bird's song more clearly, understanding a loved one better, or maybe just enjoying a moment without straining to hear. These victories, big and small, are significant milestones on your path to better hearing. As we carry on, I want you to know that your efforts are making a difference. Your dedication to this process is the foundation of that success. There might still be challenges ahead, but you're equipped to face them with confidence. If you have any concerns or questions, remember your audiologist is there to support you. This journey is a partnership, and together you'll continue to find the best ways to enhance your hearing experience. Thank you for being part of 30 Days to Better Hearing. You're doing incredibly well, and I'm excited to see how you'll continue this progress in the days ahead. Keep up the great work, and I'll see you tomorrow for day 21.